Previously on Ballybraddan.
Ugh, poetry's so hard.
Everybody in Ballybraddan goes to the Carrick Bet. It's like this big tradition.
Maybe we should make it fair.
You mean we'll let them score?
The game is over. You made it a draw. Against Carrick.
Oh no. He's really mad.
I thought we'd have time to score again. But we had to let Carrick get that point, right?
Of course. My shot was wide.
Dylan, did you see what my players did?
I wasn't sure what happened.
Well, I saw. Anyone involved in this mutiny? Step forward. Sam?
It was my idea. Her shot wasn't a point.
Yeah, it was the fair thing to do.
The ref got it wrong.
Sometimes decisions go for you, sometimes against. It evens itself out. Would any other team have sabotaged this match?
Probably not.
And why is that?
Because they're not noble. Like Solo.
Beacon, please. This is important. Why?
They respect the ref's decision?
That's right. This is the last year you'll be able to play for Ballybraddan. Cut out the nonsense and focus on getting to Croke Park.
If what they did hasn't ruined our chances of qualifying.
We put this behind us and win the next qualifier.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, team.
Sorry.
Apology accepted. You're on classroom cleaning duty for a week. All the classrooms.
He let you off easy. I won't.
I've seen this from my big brother before. Mega tantrum on the way.
Carrick hammered you.
We didn't lose. We drew.
Against Carrick? Ha! That's losing!
Ballybraddan loser! Ballybraddan loser! Ballybraddan loser!
I know it was wrong, but I kind of admire what they did.
Me too. It's just a pity it caused a rift with Beacon.
And now nobody knows what to do about the party this year.
This is an opportunity to make it about more than hurling.
How's Beacon now?
Stage 2 of tantrum. Brooding.
Tonight is an SOS for Hastings Tower. Quiet, please. Hastings Tower is falling apart. It will soon be in ruins if something isn't done. There are no funds available to restore it, and I'm making it my mission to raise the money needed. I need your help. Give generously. I will be running more fundraising events. The final event will be the Ballybraddan Picnic, a cherished event that has fallen away.
Yeah, like the tradition of beating Carrick.
The picnic used to be a time when the community came together. United, Ballybraddan can achieve great things.
Aisling was great. Yeah, she was sublime. That means better than great, I think. Anyways, she was better than great. I hope everybody is as enthusiastic as Soc. Aisling wants you all to help out.
Sorry. I won't have time. Some of us take the championship seriously.
Stage 3. Snarky.
How many stages are there?
10.
How was training today?
The Bantor had to go to Kilcrane for some business.
We are going to the green instead. Will you train us?
I'd love to. Hello, Hawk.
Ned?
Sorry about that, Ned. There's only a bit of mud. Ziggy, lad, I think we leave training for another day. All this fresh air has me worn out.
Is he okay?
He's fine. He's just in a sulk because his suit's got mucky.
Mr. Hennerty is not like that.
Unlike you, Hawk.
What? I don't sulk. Cheeky.
Is Beacon coming?
He said he would, but he doesn't know that you and Sam are here.
Maybe he's chilled by now.
I'll be up till midnight doing all this geography homework. Come on, Beacon. Everyone else has accepted our apology. I promise never to go against the team again.
You better not! And off the pitch! Keep away!
I'm too tired for this geography homework.
Right, your projects are due after Christmas, so decide on a topic. You two are working together.
Not anymore.
Together.
Great.
Arda, a printed map of Ireland is not the homework I set. Would you do it properly? I think you'll find you're forgetting your own clean-up.
Job done for the day. Be happy. Free at last.
Yeah, if you call piles of homework freedom.
Bacon blanked me today.
Yeah, me too. The death stare. According to Fiona, that's phase 4 of his tantrum.
Don't think it's just a tantrum with me. He froze out Dylan for a whole year, just because he had to move to Rockford. He'll never forgive what I did.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
Is it me, or is Soc acting a bit strange?
They didn't take Carrick seriously. My own fault. I've arranged a friendly to sharpen them up before the next qualifier.
Pretty, isn't it?
There's nowhere like Ballybraddan. I'd miss it. There's a lot I'd miss, you know.
If you did move to Kilcrane, when would you leave Ballybraddan?
Well, the season started. They want me as ASAP as possible.
Stop following me! Find your own friends!
Oh, so they are still your friends.
Some of them are. I'll wait for Ziggy.
Better take cover, lad.
Sorry about that. Can I give you a lift?
I'll walk. So how can I get any wetter?
Now, Hop, don't be stubborn.
Me? Stubborn? What are you looking at? Sure, go on.
Beacon? Why are we sitting in the rain?
I waited and waited for my chance to be captain. And the first thing I did was lose a final. Now I'm the only Ballybraddan captain whose team didn't beat Carrick. I'm sick of losing.
My project is about the biggest baby ever born. It's called the 10 Stages of Being a Baby.
Beacon is coming. He has a weird look on his face. I think he's moved all the way to stage 9. Volcanic eruption. We should just apologize again.
I just have one thing to say.
Let's hear it, Mr. Perfect.
You're right.
I'm right. Did you hear that? I'm right. Well, if I'm right, then you are... Wait, what?
I should have accepted your apology. I don't want to lose our friendship. But I felt like a laughingstock.
No one is laughing.
Rockford are. Let's start winning and turn laughter into respect. For friends?
Always.
The Bantor's been offered a job as a senior school coach.
Yes! That means they'll be hurling in secondary next year.
No. The job's in Kilcrane. This season.
Kilcrane is his hometown. He will take it.